So you have this problem where your iPhone says no internet connection or cannot connect to App Store. Or maybe you're having a similar message when you try and open your App Store to download apps for your iPhone, and no matter how many times you tap on retry, nothing happens. This is a common issue that can happen for many different reasons, and I'll show you 8 different solutions in the next couple of minutes. So make sure you follow me until the very end in order to get your problem fixed. Fix number 1 is to check Apple's servers and see if the problem is with Apple themselves and not with your mobile phone. What you can do is open Safari or any web browser you use. Then go over to google.com. Here you're going to type Apple System Status and open the first website from the list, which should be the official Apple Support System Status page. This will show you a list of all Apple services and whether they are currently available or having issues. For me, it says all services are operating normally, so the App Store isn't the problem. As you can see, it says available. So let's go to step number 2. This problem can also occur if you have a bad or unstable Wi-Fi or internet connection. What you can do is go to a website called speedtest.net and check your internet speed. If you have a download speed of 5, 10, or 20 megabits per second, that's pretty good, and your Wi-Fi probably isn't the issue. But if you're seeing low numbers, maybe 1 or 2 megabits per second, then I suggest switching to mobile data if you're on Wi-Fi, or switching to Wi-Fi if you're on mobile data. A slow or unstable internet connection can cause this loading problem in the App Store. Another common fix for this issue is to force restart your iPhone. In some cases, this solves the problem for many users. I don't know why, but it works. To do a force restart, quickly press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and after that press and hold the power button for about 10 to 20 seconds. Keep holding the power button until you see the Apple logo appear on your screen. Don't let go when you see the slide to power off screen. Just keep holding until the Apple logo shows up. Once it appears, let go of the power button and wait for your iPhone to boot back up. Let me know in the comments down below if this specific step solved your problem. If your date and time are set incorrectly, your iPhone may not be able to securely connect to Apple's servers, which can cause the cannot connect to App Store error. What you can do in this case is open the Settings app, tap on General, then go to Date and Time. Here you have 2 options. You can either set the correct time manually, or if you have Set Automatically enabled, toggle it off, wait 10 to 20 seconds, and then turn it back on. This will refresh the connection and reconnect to Apple's servers, adjusting the correct time automatically. The 5th solution is to sign out of your Apple ID and then sign back in. To do that, go to the main settings page. Tap on your name at the top to open your Apple ID settings. Then scroll all the way down until you see the Sign Out option. Do not log out of your Apple account if you don't know your password, because you won't be able to log back in. Only do this if you know your password or have it written down somewhere. After signing out, sign back into your Apple ID account. I don't know why, but this step can sometimes fix the cannot connect to App Store problem. Another very common issue that many people don't know about is using a VPN connection. A VPN can cause problems with the App Store and other Apple services. What I suggest you do is open the VPN application you're using and disconnect from the server. Sometimes VPNs change your IP address or route your connection through another country, and that can interfere with Apple's servers. This can prevent the App Store from verifying your connection properly, which leads to the error. So simply disconnect from your VPN, close the App Store completely, then open it again and check if the problem is fixed. If it starts working immediately, then you know the VPN was the cause. Fix number 7 is to reset your network settings. You can do this by opening the Settings app again and navigating to General. Scroll all the way down until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. You'll see a few different reset options, but what you want to tap on is Reset Network Settings. This will remove all saved Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, and network configurations, but it will not delete your photos, apps, or personal data. After you confirm it and your iPhone restarts, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and then try opening the App Store again. In many cases, This fixes the problem because it clears any corrupted network settings that were blocking the connection. And if none of these fixes solved your problem, I have one final solution for you. Go back to Settings, then General, and open Software Update. We need to check if you're running the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. In my case, that's iOS 26.4. If there's an update available, download and install it. That will get rid of bugs and glitches that may be causing the issue where you cannot connect to the App Store. After the update is finished and your phone boots back up, open the App Store and see if it connects normally. If you have any other solutions for this problem, leave them in the comments down below so we can help even more people. I hope one of these fixes worked for you, and if it did, consider leaving a like on this video because it would really help me out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.